Good morning, everybody. Um, what is going on? Bro, how do I get this off my screen? So, you know the drill. Today is going to just be another live trading video. Honestly, I don't know though. You see I got the beanie on? This is supposed to high the win rate by at least 10%. So in that case, today I'm profitable. I was just looking at news this morning and we got Trump speaking at 12 and meeting minutes at 2. I never really trade AM session meet. I do sometimes, but I never really trade PM session meeting minutes. Just always get cut, bro. I tried to like back test it a few times, and yeah, no. I think I'm like 0 for 5. So I'm just gonna stay away from that. AM session though, it's usually pretty cheeks, but sometimes we will deliver some solid price action. Okay, so at the moment we have an SMT with this daily low. Bang, 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 bang. SMT like so. Sell side liquidity. So this is prime time for a rebalance play. So we got our 1 hour or 4 hour, whatever you want to call that, delivery right there. Now honestly, we just want to see price open and like respect a gap. We have a 30-minute here, or I guess an hourly here too. Doubt this will hold though. Yeah, I don't know how low I want to see price come before we start that reversal. But let's see what kind of gaps we got above. But we ain't even got no gaps above. Okay. We came, swept this key level, sent price up. We had an SMT with London and Asia, or no, London and New York PM. I asked the question there, isn't it? Yeah, I don't know. I kind of got some conflicting biases. One, this draw on liquidity, I think it might have already done its job. Like we already rebalanced the leg right here when we took London. Now we might be primed to go lower. We'll see. I don't have any like direct bias. But for me to be bearish, we definitely have to open higher. Maybe take out this high right here. And continue lower towards this LR. Honestly, I think I'm feeling the bearishness. So we're respecting this 4-hour bearish gap here. We have an SMT right here. Yeah. So depending if we hold this 1 hour or not, it's gonna be a pretty big factor, but we'll see off that. I'm not gonna click that. Oh wait. Alright, we're gonna rock with that. Yesterday. I was looking at yesterday and kind of spoofed it. I don't know if anyone had seen, I had took a short coming into the morning. It was from, that's freaking Monday, bro. Ooh, what are you whining for? Took a short coming into the morning from the delivery of this mitigated 5-minute gap. We swept all these highs inside of a gap and souped it. The only thing wrong with this is what I was thinking. Actually, now that I look at this still, I still kind of like it because we got this 1 hour delivery from here. I guess maybe it's not fresh because you're saying we don't have like 1 hour delivery. We want 1 hour delivery. So maybe it's like previous sweeps don't matter. I don't know. That's a good question. But I seen this open higher into this gap. One thing is I usually never take already mitigated gaps into consideration unless it's like one high in a gap and we soup it. But in this scenario, what would have been ideal is that we took this high and then continued lower. But from there, I mean, bias was correct. We came down, hit my draw on liquidity, and we even got a continuation model present itself along with the stop hunt. So there was a first trade. There's a 5-minute gap here. We got a inversion here. This is just the bare minimum inversion. Once again, it's only a 5-minute we had a discounted 5 minute above, and 10 a.m. was about to open. So 10 a.m. opened higher into that 15 minute. We had the stop loss and stop hunt in a 5 minute inversion to the downside. Is targeting that external draw still and that low hanging fruit. That looked really good. Then from there, yeah, these are the trades that I always talking about how I be losing. Like after we get the continuation lower, trying to target a deeper rebalance. I usually don't like these. I'll pay attention. See why I lose more on those. Markets pretty much open or about to open. I want to find an example. I'm trying to target that deeper retrace. Here was kind of one. We got the rebalance here. Generate some LR. Now we got SMT at the low. We swept that key level. Space my higher. Loss. What time are we at? 12 minutes already. Market just opened. Looks like we're running for this liquidity here. Got some lows inside of a gap. IGL. Oh, Lulu. Come here, Lulu. Yeah, looking at this here. Still pretty with that bearish buzz. This is a pretty solid liquidity pool. I do think we're gonna bounce a little bit from there. Excuse me. what's external draws on this high resistance, high ass target. Left equal lows. Freaking beast of a draw on liquidity right here. Data low, relative equal low. So after 10 a.m. too. Alright, so we somehow managed to wick out that entire bullish variety gap. It looks like price is headed towards this high. Clear all this LR. What is going to take us now? I'm gonna pause this so this video is not so long. She's already 18 minutes in. Okay, so just thinking of this for either side, we're gonna want delivery. I don't know why the frick we left relative equal lows down here, but we got this 1 hour delivery. We're respecting this 1 hour gap. We inverted this 1 hour over here. Okay. We could just be retarded. We could just be retarded. We could just be retarded. Oh, I'm tired though. I ain't go to sleep till like 12. 12. Okay. Now, do I think this high is gonna push us lower? Nah, I don't think so. I think after we took this high, I think I'm still gonna be pretty bullish. Dude, this low is like tweaking me out. If we start getting some displacement towards this, I'd like to short that. But then it isn't. What are we gonna open lower, open higher, freaking 200 points, and then open back? Nah, that doesn't really make sense. Ishiro. 240. Okay, so we did end up being bullish still. Towards these higher draws and liquidity. We never pulled back to this 5 minute. Honestly thought we would. We just kept ripping up higher. Towards just a ripper day. Can see us rejecting here for rebalance. I don't even want to do that. This high here. Bros. Honestly, what I want to see now. That did. Straight spoofed. Bro, holy expansion. I'm not gonna lie, after we hit this drawn liquidity, I'm getting off. We have PM news, and we just distributed over. It's gonna be 400 points. That's crazy. What's up, guys? Look at this blowing I took and how I made $3 million. It's about to do full TP right now. 1 to 10 RR. Actually, my entry was right here on this retrace. One to 20. No retraces, no nothing. It's crazy. But alright, that's gonna be me. I'm gonna call it for a day. I will catch you guys later. Tomorrow looks really good news wise. Same as Friday. I think we'll catch another trade this week. Hopefully not an L.